Here's how to check if your TV supports AirPlay or not. So the first thing that you're going to do on your television, go to the All Settings option. Once you have already navigate yourself to the All Settings option, scroll down until you see there the System option. System options are usually navigated under your devices and network option. Now click on the System options. Once you click on the System options, you will see there the Location option. Usually, AirPlay is navigated or has been enabled depending on the country, region, or location that you have. So you can just go ahead and add it and make a different location so that AirPlay will appear on your television. Once you do that hack, AirPlay will automatically be seen to the main dashboard of your television. And now you can go ahead and enjoy AirPlay to your TV.